Hey, another big round of applause for Regine. Isn't she great? She's so grabe, no? O-produce kakanta pa ako. Anyway, again, I just want to welcome everybody tonight. Want to acknowledge all our guests, especially our partners to be, our sponsors, like the Bell Medical Group. MWell. Alright. Hello, Boss Right. So tonight, I'm sure you had a glimpse of what A-Team is all about. I will explain a lot more in a while. But Tita Cory of ABS-CBN is here. Bigyan niyo po ng leksyon si Tita Cory. So, I will explain more later. But before, can I just sing some songs for you? Is that okay? So, with me is the OA band. Palakpakan niyo po sila. Started 18. We started around 10 years ago. And it started when we wanted to manage talents. The first of which was Lara Maine. Okay, another big round of applause for Lara over there. She was our very first talent. And so after that, we said maybe we should start producing concerts. So we produced concert after concert after concert after concert. But this year, 2024 and 2025, next year, we wanted to up the ante, but by producing 21 concerts. Did you hear that right? That's 21 concerts. So we need all of your money. That's plain and simple, no? We need you to be our partners. You see, if I was an advertiser, I wouldn't want to just advertise in one concert. I'd like to advertise in many, many concerts. Now, I don't know if any of you have received the text. Have you? None? We will distribute it later. And if you don't want to bring anything with you home, we'll just email it to you. Okay? Or we'll just text you the amount and just give us the check. Good? Hang on.